Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know if we got good footage with me getting ready. I didn't notice that I was running super late. My appointment is at 9. It's actually 8:30 and it takes me, I didn't even bring the lip gloss that I wanted to wear, but I have another one, the one that I always wear. It takes me 25 to 30 minutes to get there, and since they open at 9, one second. I shouldn't even be putting on lip gloss because it takes it off. When they fix my teeth. And I'm using the shade Stone from the Maybelline lip gloss and Nude Truffle. That is a lip combo. I'm gonna head out. I don't know what I was saying, but I'm running late. I only brought water. I haven't even ate. I just had time to brush my teeth, get ready. I have a lot of things to do today. Today's actually my nephew's birthday, so we're gonna head out. Let me put the steering wheel up now you guys can see it. So today's my nephew's birthday. I'm gonna get my braces tightened, and then I'm going to go take him flowers, and then from there we're gonna go buy food because I have to get groceries for today or for the whole week. But these are my braces. I have, I think, silver on right now. No, I got baby blue. So I don't know what they're gonna do today. I think the treatment today is gonna be different since we already finished separating some of the teeth in the bottom. So it seems like a lot of my teeth in the bottom are straight. I don't know what he's gonna do today, but let's go to the dentist. Let's see what our ortho, or what my ortho decides to do today. I think I'm gonna get purple or black. I should probably do black, but it's already starting to get a little bit hot, so I want to do like a fun spring color. Maybe I should do green. I don't know what color I'm gonna do. I really like purple on my teeth. I think it looks super good with my skin complexion. So I don't know what they're going to do, but I'll go ahead and explain to you guys after because I'm running late. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I'm back in my car. We just finished the braces appointment. It was literally 20 minutes. It went by so fast. So the dentist ended up putting, or the ortho, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a spring in the middle of my teeth now here. He wants to separate my bottom teeth a little bit more because they were saying that my bottom teeth are not straight enough to make the arc. And I got purple. I don't know if you guys saw that too. I got purple, so now I'm gonna put on some lip gloss again because I ruined it. But he said once the teeth separate in the bottom, I'm gonna get a gap in 4 weeks. But I feel a lot of pressure in the bottom. I do want to update you guys in a few hours how it's feeling. So far nothing hurts, but I do feel pressure in the bottom, that something is like tight in the bottom 2 teeth. And then he said that in the next couple of months I should be getting rubber bands. So I didn't get rubber bands, but I got a spring. Hi, do you guys have oat milk?
Oat milk? No, I'm so sorry. I only have almond and coconut right now.
Okay, can I get an iced chocolate almond milk? This is gonna be tall, sorry. So can I get a tall iced chocolate almond milkshake and espresso?
Give me 1 second. Ready? And you said an iced tall, right?
Yes.
Got it.
And then can you add sweet cream foam to that?
Got it.
Can I also get a warm ham and Swiss croissant?
Roasted ham and Swiss sandwich, the circle one, or a ham and cheese croissant?
Ham and cheese croissant.
Got it.
And that's it.
$9.90.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
$9.90.
I think I have a reward.
Okay. Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you can use whichever. I don't know for the pastry or the drink.
Yeah, it's going to be $3.95 for the ham and cheese croissant, okay?
Okay.
Did you want a straw for your drink at all?
Yes, please. Thank
No,
you.
I'm just putting on
Oh,
your ham and cheese croissant, okay?
perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're
Have a good day.
welcome. Have a good one. You too.
Okay, let me put on my mask. Oh my god.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. ¿Cuánto cuestan esas rosas azules?
Esto es a 10.
¿A 10? ¿Me das 2 de esas igual?
Sí, esta. ¿O quieres una de estas azules?
A verlas.
¿O dos iguales? ¿Las dos iguales?
No, las 2 iguales, estas sí están bien. Gracias. Ya, así está bien. Muchas gracias.
Que tengo amigo.
Igualmente. So I'm finally back home. It's been a couple of hours. I touched up my makeup. I put on some lashes and I took off my glasses. Was I wearing glasses? Yes, I was wearing glasses. And I just touched up my makeup. I fixed my hair a little bit. I'm going to record a video, but before that, we are gonna make some coffee. This is gonna be my second cup because I need the energy. I cleaned up a little bit. I'm prepping some stuff because I'm gonna make dinner tonight. So I've been busy ever since I got back, but I have to refilm my home decor video. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek in a second. Let me close the door because I hear it making noise. Okay, so we're gonna make some iced coffee. I just wanted to show you guys how I make it, and I wanted to show you guys a new coffee that I've been trying. So let's make another cup of coffee together. So I was also charging my camera just because I'm gonna do the video in a little bit and I wanted my camera to be charged. So I have to kneel down a little bit because my counter is a little bit too low. I use this cup that my friend made for me. Isn't this cute? It's a Dior cup. And then this is a coffee that I've been trying. I really like the Starbucks cold brew because that's what I like from Starbucks, but I ended up getting this one, which is the stock cold brew coffee, and this is unsweetened. I always get them unsweetened just because I like to prep it myself. So if I stand up, it's gonna cut me off because I'm actually pretty tall, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the coffee here. Would you guys like to see me or to see the coffee? Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down a little bit so you guys can see the whole coffee mixture. So I'm gonna serve the cold brew here. I'm only gonna do a little bit. Maybe that's a lot for you guys, but that's a little bit for me. I'm gonna put some oat milk. I just like creamy coffee, but I still like it to have the taste of coffee, if that makes any sense. But I do like to add a little bit of milk. And then we are gonna add my favorite non-dairy almond creamer, and this is the vanilla flavor. I've tried the hazelnut one, it's good, the vanilla one's good, and then this is almond milk. So all of this is non-dairy, guys. And then we're gonna add creamer. You guys can't really see the colors changing because of the decoration here. So with my green straw, I'm going to mix it. I feel like the almond milk on its own already has flavor. But this is so good. If I have to rate my coffee, my iced coffees, honestly, this is the first time I tried this one. I've been liking it, but I would say I prefer the Starbucks cold brew. It's kind of weird talking to you guys like that, but I prefer the Starbucks cold brew. I would give this maybe a 7 out of 10. It's good, it does its job, but I still like the Starbucks one. I'm gonna try another brand after because I like to always have coffee here so I can just, like, moments like this really helps me record and film and get videos out. But if you want to go ahead and try a different type of coffee, I still recommend. It's a 7 out of 10. It's not that bad. I would buy it again. I will definitely buy it again, but I think the Starbucks cold brew one, I don't know if I'm used to that one. And I've tried different creamers too, so it's not the creamer. I think it's just the coffee itself that doesn't give me that Starbucks taste, or that like cold brew taste. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but I'm going to record a home decor video. I already have one on my channel, and that was when I had just moved in. But now I'm going to do like an updated one because obviously I have a bunch of new stuff. I have my couches now. I think some of the stuff you guys have seen them in my vlogs, but I have new pillows. I have a bunch of stuff here that I'm going to include in the video, so stay tuned. I think this vlog will be up before the home decor video. If not, make sure you are subscribed and you go back to my channel to see the home decor. I have a lot of new stuff, fun things for my house that I've been loving. If you're into those videos, you can find that here on my channel too.